He's not just a woods dog, though. That dog is spoiled. He sleeps at my bedside. We had him, he's 6 weeks old. He's telling me something's up here. This could be cool. This could be really cool. All right. I'm gonna try and get you up here. Try to keep on him. It'd be awesome if we come across some deer right now. That's probably what it is. That, or it's a whole roost of birds. That's kind of what it sounds sounding like, birds. He doesn't know the difference either way. He just knows there's something and he wants it. Birds. I know, Finner.